Hello kings, queens, and royals in between. My name is Joe, and you're watching Disney Channel. Do. Did it. Okay. Editing me, put some video drawing, follow my finger line, flames on the side of my face. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing this look right here, this crazy, colorful thingy. Light blue garage door lid with glitter on the lid. Oh, also you guys, I got my moisturizers figured out. Pink liner, a reddish blush, a yellow lip with a green lip liner. Ooh. I've never done a green lip liner with a yellow lip. I've done a yellow lip like 3 or 4 times, but it was always with a brown lip. So it looks more natural, I think. So, let's do it. So one day, so the day after I filmed last week's video that the brown and the pink and the yellow liner and the whatever else it was, my eyelids were bothering me so bad because it was so dry and flaky and itchy, and then I rubbed it a little bit and it started something gross. So I remembered people make store-bought moisturizers for people with eczema, and I got some. I got a hydrating cleanser and a moisturizer for the driest of skin types. So I'm applicable for both of those. Thank you so much. So my skin should not be ruined makeuping. So my skin should not ever ruin the makeup. Like my skin condition. I will still talk about it all the time, because I have a brand to uphold. Anyway, let's begin. As I do my base up to the blush, I will be looking at the camera awkwardly and looking like I'm about to say something to you to start the conversation, but I don't have anything to say. And then, no, you go ahead. All right, that's done with. I hope that wasn't too awkward. I thought it would be funny in concept alone, and I'm not sure what the end result will be. So fingers crossed it'll be funny enough or entertaining enough or camp. I do try to look camp in the eye, and sometimes it hurts. You know what? I might be staring at the sun. Easy mistake to make, I would say. I actually put the white highlighter in between my eyebrow because I don't like that the eyebrows are shiny underneath. So maybe that'll put a stop to that because there's none on this side. Oh, hello. Somebody's going live on YouTube. I hate when that happens. Now, time to do Time to do a reddish pink blush. That's what's in the photo. That I can change at any moment and I can improvise whenever I want. I'm not doing that right now though. Stick to the book. I feel like this could be the perfect shade. The perfect shape. No. B3 from the Anastasia Norvina Collection Volume 3 palette. I keep using this, so I did not expect to do that. No offense. I just feel like this is a lot of shades that I don't normally use. Look at me now. Prisoner inside of the... And remember, if you're working with eyeshadows as blush, and if you go a little bit too heavy-handed, you could always use a big fluffy brush, or a medium fluffy brush, or like a soft brush, with nothing on it to just do one of these for a few seconds, and then usually it just blends away. Depending on how heavy-handed you go, of course, and how powdery it is, and how much God likes you. Can't keep that in. For certain. Look at this big chunk of beard that I forgot to shave. That's crazy. That's done. By the look of the outside, it looks like it's going to be like Halloween themed. And maybe it's supposed to be autumnal colors. Yeah, maybe it is. When I think Halloween, I think orange and black and purple. There's orange in here. That answers that. I'm going to do both brows and one eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Transition. Transition. Nailed it. Where do we... Oh, I didn't even do the transition. I do it every time. Okay, so I did the eye. Ignore the darker blue glitters. I had an optical illusion failure. Yup, I tricked myself with my own creation. Ooh. All right, let's do this. Same brand as last video. No. Poo. Poo. And I also ruined it a little bit by getting blue eyeshadow all over it. Anyway, let's begin and then... I don't know. I'm using the Abby Roberts palette. I said I never would again, but it was already next to me. So using Rick. Pickle Rick. It's just called Rick. Probably because Rick and Morty. What the heck is consent? So I put it all over the lid and now I'm going up. Not much left on the brush. Just tapping up. Doing a little one of these. A little 1-2 step. Oh, I accidentally took it a little bit too far inward. Which is not the same as over here. See, I can give you tips on what to do and what not to do. And also burp. I like this one because originally it was like a really round triangle. It was like big right here. And then it just went down. It went down. It went down. 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 Down, 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 down. You guys remember that song show? What is it? Usher, I think. And now, the pink liner. I got blue all over it. Now it's purple. Again, just like the last video, this is just a wet base for me to stamp eyeshadow on. I wanted to get one of them there, water activated liner palette. The only ones that weren't like Amazon or Temu was like $80. There was one that was like $12 that I passed up on. I really should have gotten that one. It had like 9 different colors to it. I probably would have used just those. Wait, what? So I'm using LUV from the Abby Roberts palette. And I'm just packing it where the liner currently was condensation. Okay, now for the glitter. Use an eye safe glitter if you're gonna do this, please and thank you. I'm not doing that, but you should. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did on this side, which is put the darker blue underneath and then the lighter blue on top to fix it, because I'm not starting over. What do I look like? That snake guy from Miraculous? I watch TV and show. I don't know movies. Poopy fart. Glitter, glitter. Now for the inner corner gem, which I feel like is constantly teetering off, but it's not, actually. I'm just... You know what I mean? Ow. What is going on? This cheap plastic gem just stabbed me. Oh, by the way, I forgot to say about the brows. I was trying to go for an ASMR YouTuber inspired thing where he had like, it was like the 2 tails kind of. I forgot his name, so I'm not gonna give him a shout out. I don't care. I don't care. I'm doing his eyebrows. Do you think I should tag him that I'm doing his eyebrows? You think he's gonna enjoy that at all? I don't think so. And that I failed? Who's gonna be so disappointed in me? Now. Mascara time. Colonel Mustard with a candlestick. For lash. Maybe these. I really wish I splurged and got the $80 water activated liner palette thingy, but I don't even know if that would have worked because I didn't see any reviews on it. And it was like a small business website, so you never know. Some of those are scams. I don't understand the point of this. Me and Algebra 2. I never took Algebra 2. Do my lashes normally cover my liner like this? Comment below. It's possible that I'm just not used to these bright colors being lines on my lid. Now it's time for the lips, which is yellow lips with green lip liner. Exciting. I don't know, you tell me. How do these, move it. How do these look together? Just kidding. Sorry. I'm gonna try these two together, and then if it doesn't work out, I'll just add this one. So far it's a no, but we'll just have to wait until after I put the yellow on first. Not absolutely loving this yellow as a lipstick color, but that's not what it was meant for, so I completely understand. I'm not sure about this. Lip gloss that's almost gone that I've had for like a year. Nasty. Green glitter. I feel like I would like the darker green better, so I think I'm gonna do that. Or since I have a gloss down, I could probably reapply the same lime and it'll end up being darker because it's wet. You don't just put it back in a bag wet. Something just happened. It was turning bad, so I put a little shimmer on top. I don't know what I'm doing. I did my best, and now I'm going to accessorize. All right, brushed my bayang, and I'm thinking orange jewelry because this is pretty rainbow, mostly blue, pink, red, green, yellow. The only thing that's missing is orange and purple. This isn't really red anyway. These are bottle caps that I covered in gems, by the way. As I do. Also, just a reminder what my head shape is. Rectangle, some invertedness right here. I'm a vase. My head is a vase, my body is a vase. Vase, 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 beauty, vase. I can't remember how the words go. That's probably right. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed the process that it took to get here. I did not. I don't want to keep saying this isn't my favorite look I've ever done. But I've done worse. Because I want to enjoy myself. I like the highlighters. I like the foundation. I like the base. And anyway, if you want to like. If you want to comment. If you want to share. If you want to subscribe. If you want to cash app. And if you don't want to do any of those or some of those but not others, that is completely fine. All of my socials will be in the links in the description box below. And with that, I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.